How to develop and implement risk mitigation strategies and plans. The importance of risk mitigation strategies. Why is it essential to have risk mitigation strategies in place? Well, they say the best offense is a good defense, and nowhere is this more accurate than in the business world. Risk mitigation strategies act as a shield, protecting businesses from potential threats that could disrupt their operations or, worse, cause them to fold entirely. Steps to create and implement a robust risk mitigation strategy. So, how does one create and implement a robust risk mitigation strategy? Let's dive deeper into each step, making it clear and comprehensive. Step 1. Identify the risks. The absolute first step in any risk mitigation strategy is to pinpoint potential risks. These could range from financial risks, operational risks, market risks, environmental risks, to even legal risks. But don't only focus on external risks. Internal risks such as human resources, information technology, and physical assets should also be considered. Knowledge is power, and in this case, knowing what could potentially harm your business is half the battle won. Step 2. Analyze the risks. Once you have identified potential risks, the next step is to thoroughly analyze them. This involves determining the likelihood of each risk occurring and the potential impact it could have on your business. Dig deeper into each potential risk, evaluating not only their potential impact but also their likelihood. This comprehensive analysis will help you prioritize the risks and focus your efforts on those that could cause the most damage. Step 3. Develop the strategies. Now that you are well aware of what you're up against, it's time to develop intelligent strategies to mitigate these risks. This could involve implementing new policies, investing in robust technology, or even changing your business model. Consider a variety of approaches, such as risk avoidance, risk reduction, risk sharing, and risk retention. The key is to find a balanced solution that reduces the risk without hampering your business's growth or profitability. Step 4. Implement the strategies. Once you have your well-thought strategies in place, the next step is to put them into action. This involves communicating the plan to your team, training them on new procedures, and consistently monitoring implementation to ensure it's effective. Step 5. Review and revise. Risk mitigation is not a one-and-done deal. It involves constant monitoring and review. As your business grows and evolves, so too will the risks you face. Regularly reviewing and revising your risk mitigation strategies, considering new internal and external factors, will ensure they remain effective and relevant. Summary of risk mitigation strategy. Developing and implementing a risk mitigation strategy involves identifying and analyzing potential risks, developing strategies to mitigate these risks, implementing these strategies, and regularly reviewing and revising them. Remember, the goal of risk mitigation isn't to eliminate all risks. That's impossible. The goal is to reduce the potential impact of these risks on your business, ensuring you can weather any storm that comes your way. So, equip your business with a sturdy shield of risk mitigation strategies, and step into the future with confidence.